I know it's really difficult, but if you can try and not interact with her, just so we can try and make it not escalate, okay? There's officers on their way. On TV of 999 calls, and it's always seems to be very, very hectic and sort of out of control, whereas actually in reality it is controlled. You control the questioning, you control how you talk to people and what information you need. On a typical day, if I'm doing a morning shift, I'll arrive in to take over from night shift about 7 o'clock in the morning. It tends to be that at that kind of time we get a lot of 101 calls. As it goes throughout the day, obviously the incidents kind of change. When kids are coming home from school, it's more traffic, and with rush hour, it's traffic issues, people crashing and stuff like that. And then as it gets later on into the evening, that's sort of when your domestic calls will start. You'll start to receive calls about domestic violence. So no day is the same. It's so varied all the time. So you never really know what you're going to do when you answer the call, and that's what I like about the job, is the fact that you never know. You can answer the call once and it is a completely different situation than the call you've had before, but you've still got to, risk assess and react in the same ways.